Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. So today I'm back with another what's in my mail video, micro influencer version. And this video is part 2 of what's in my mail. I will just leave a card here to have a look on my first video in what's in my mail. Now, I love watching what's in my mail video of big influencers, so I thought why not start on my own? When I will have millions of subscribers, fingers crossed, then I will just go back to these videos and enjoy these videos, and then just for my own memory and to share with you guys all what small content creator like myself get the brand deals of. This time I have quite a few packages to show you. Some of them are very interesting and I'm sure that you will enjoy the whole video, so stay tuned. And before we start this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I grow as a creator, more brands can reach and I can create more such nice videos. Okay, to start with, one of the very interesting and very useful product that I have been loving myself. I'm using it for a very long time. This is from the brand called Pepico. Pepico has sent me their cleansing egg. This egg I'm using it since February, and because I have dry skin and I was really not very convinced about how cleansing egg would work on my skin, so I asked for some time to see how it works on my skin before I review it. They have also sent me the cleanser, which is also very nice. The review is going to be up on my channel very soon, so stay tuned. The second product that I have, nail polish brand called Shiloh brand. They have sent me only one of their nail polish. I don't have on my hands right now, but I'll insert a picture here. This is really nice, a mirror polish, and it really lasts long. I will leave a link of their website as well in case you want to buy. Please go ahead. They are startup brands, so they would really need your support. The third one on my list is a very interesting product which comes from the brand called Georgia Blue, very famous brand. You might have heard about it. Now this one is from their blue light glasses collection. This looks so nice and awesome. I love it. If you don't already know that I am myself a myopic, in my kind of job I have to be in front of the computers the whole 8 hours. Most of the times I wear my glasses, but the days that I'm wearing contact lenses to work, I always wear these glasses. They are really nice. Times when I work from office, I take this with me. This looks really classy. I get a lot of compliment from my friends and colleagues. Honestly, until you wear these glasses, you can't really tell how this is effective. Only once you start using them, you can really tell the difference. If you want to really get them, I will try to leave a link in the description. Do get them for yourself. It's really nice. And fourth on our list is from a brand called Duvol. So this is their radiant skin care system. I haven't tried it yet. It has got 4 different detachable accessories. This one serves for almost your whole body. It has got one face brush, one pumice stone, one for your body. Once I try this, the review should be up on my channel very soon. Now, one of the very interesting collaboration that I have done is from Diana J. This is a brand by my friend Jasmine. Well, we became friends after we have worked together. So this is a startup, and this sweatshirt is really cute. I mean, this is very soft, and she has sent me a larger size so that I can fit in it in my pregnancy as well. This is really cute. They have variety of different accessories, right from gym bags to different swimsuit, t-shirts. The fabric is really very soft. You definitely are gonna love it. Going ahead, I received this package today itself. This is from the brand called Hola Australia. They have sent me a few of their skincare range from their seaweed collection. So I have toner, exfoliating gel, moisturizing essence, and moisturizing mask. Trust me, when I heard about this brand and how their product works, to me it really sounded very, very interesting. Moisturizing exfoliating gel. This is especially very interesting to me. Let me try and I'll let you know how it works on my skin. So the next skincare brand is from this brand called Enbaki. I hope I'm saying that right, because you know my accent, my pronunciation would be definitely very, very different to what it is. Forgive me for that, but this is their complete body firming lotion, which actually is a hydrating body lotion that promotes the elasticity and firming of the skin. I'm sure this is going to be very helpful for me once the baby's here. So I'm very excited to try this, and I will review it once I've used it for a few days. Okay, and the last package that we have is the most interesting one. This package is not for me, but But for the little guest that we are going to have 3 months time, have a look in here. That is the sweetest and most special package that I have received. This is by a brand called Bhumi. The brand reached out to me for their organic products and they have sent me 3 products for the baby when the baby is here. We have the muslin baby wrap. We have the bed sheet, a white bed sheet. So I'm very excited and very scared how long this is gonna last because it's white. Oh my god. This is the sweetest thing. This is a knitted blanket. It's not for me that all the packages. Soon the package is gonna come over and being shared in 2 of us. So guys, yes, that was everything for today's video. I hope it was not too long. I hope that you really enjoyed for what all packages I have received. We are growing, but because I was really very inconsistent for a few months and also because my Instagram is not very active these days, I'm slow in production as well. A lot of videos are in process editing. Do not forget to hit that thumbs up. Please leave a comment down on how you liked all these. I'm gonna see you very soon on my next video. Thanks guys. Bye bye.